start first with Sir Isaac Newton's corpuscular theory during the 17th to 18th century. So it was at this time when scientists began to comprehend the properties of light. So Newton, as a strong advocate of his particle nature of light, did a crucial experiment on a prism. He argued that the geometric natures of the laws of reflection and refraction could only be explained if light is made up of particles, which he referred to as corpuscles, as waves don't tend to travel in straight lines.
Light can be absorbed, transmitted, reflected, refracted, or scattered. And the reflection and refraction of light can be explained by considering light as a particle. Through general optics, we can explore the phenomena of reflection and reflection where it models light as a ray. Have you ever wondered where you can see yourself in the mirror? Well, basically what you see in the mirror is your reflection. Reflection occurs when the light bounces back to the medium when it hits the surface. And the reflected light travels in a straight line but only in a different direction. The ray that hits or strikes the surface is called the incident ray, and the ray that is being sent back from the surface, or the ray that rebounds from the surface, is called as the reflected ray. We have this line perpendicular to the reflected surface called the normal. The angle between the normal and the incident ray is the angle of incidence, while the angle between the normal and the reflected ray is called the angle of reflection. And they are represented by the symbol theta, which means angle. So this means that if your angle of incidence is 45 degrees, therefore your angle of reflection is also 45 degrees, because the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Have you noticed when you put a straw in your drink and the straw looks like it's bending? That's what we call refraction.
Refraction is the bending of light. It is the change in the speed of light when it passes from one medium to another, which causes the light to bend away from the normal. During refraction, some of the light is being reflected while some will enter the second material.